Hello, this is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. I was Bible journaling this prayer and decided to make this green area slightly lighter, and it occurred to me that you might not know how to do this. So I'm going to turn off the elements and my little prayer text to show you it's a real quick and easy way to make a background a little bit lighter. This is a quick dex card. That means that the layers are already merged and you can't change one layer at a time. So this is what you can do if you run into this situation. You use the rectangular marquee tool here and select just this green area. Make sure that you are on the correct layer. Then go to Image, Adjust. Now there's like 3 different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you each one of them. First, go to Levels and just drag and drop this little slider. See, it makes a big difference when you need something a little bit lighter to just know this quick trick. So that is one way. Now I'm going to go to Command Z, Control Z on a Mac, Command Z on a Mac, Control Z on a PC to go back. Now the same area is selected with the marquee tool. Now we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Brightness. And that's another way that you can lighten it up. And then I'm going to go Command Z to remove that. Go to Image, Adjustments, Curves. And you can adjust this little adjuster and go up and down and decide how you want it. So this was just a real quick tip. You can see that the words stand out better now than they did earlier. That's all for now. See you in the Facebook group. Bye-bye.